What's up, guys? We're back working on the FRS again, and today we are pulling the motor out of it so I can start the teardown and figure out exactly what went wrong with it. So I'm just going to throw you guys on the tripod, but we're going to start disconnecting everything that attaches this engine to the body of the car. So we're going to start with things like the intake box that's going to come out. We're going to take these braces off, and then anything else that we see, you know, like the harness, I believe comes off attached to the motor. So I don't think we have to worry about that, but we do have to take the AC compressor off and move it out of the way. So we'll have to take that front belt off and things like that. So we're just going to go ahead and start tearing this thing down.
With frost, cold night and the winter how it goes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Yeah. The end, got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me. Hanging in the corner with a nosebleed. High on whatever they sold me. That's the old me, yeah. 6 years later trying to find me. Still trying to figure out the line piece. Looking for the love inside me.
All right, so we've been working at this for about an hour now. We have everything disconnected, I believe, except for the coolant lines. So we got the intake stuff out. We got the AC compressor hanging there. We'll have to pull that out of the way as we lift the motor out. And then back here, you know, we got this intake sound generator thing unbolted. All of these wires are disconnected. Everything's disconnected here. So we just have those two heater hoses, upper and lower radiator hose, and then bell housing bolts, and the two motor mounts on the bottom. We should be able to pull this out.
Sometimes, don't know why I feel that way sometimes. Yeah. The end, think how we can say that on the weekend. Funny how I kinda like this life. Funny now I kinda like this life. No, I like this life.
Okay, so quick update. We got the starter pulled out of the back, all of the coolant lines undone. You have to undo these fuel lines too, which have these little green clips. We bent some paper clips because we don't have the fuel line removal tool. And we use these to get in there and hit there's little tabs on each side of the clips, and then pulled the fuel lines off. Definitely just make sure you buy the tool to take those off. And now we're raising the engine up because we forgot there's two ground straps, one on each side of the engine. I believe that's it. And we need to take those off, and then we can pull the motor out.
Kinda like this life. Funny now I kinda like this life. No, I like this life.
So here we are. Got the engine out. This was a little iffy. This line right here, you have to kink it really bad. So if you don't want to risk ruining your AC, you might want to undo that line and then you'll have to recharge the AC. Other than that, getting the transmission out, there was a spot to pry right down here. So we pried it right there until there was like a little tiny opening. And then we used screwdrivers and a hammer on the top to hammer the screwdrivers in and jiggle them to get a bigger opening, and then a big pry bar on both sides. Worked it left and right, went down around the transmission to pull it out, and that's it. Now the engine's out. That's it, guys. Thanks a ton for watching. This is just one of those situations where it could have taken forever if I was showing you exactly how to pull this out, and I just wanted to get it done as quickly as possible so that I could get rebuilding the motor. So sorry that the video is so short. Next video that I'm posting to YouTube is going to be the Max Speeding Rods coilover install for my Mini. Next FRS video is going to be tearing down the engine. That being said, if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. That helps me a lot. Share with your friends. And thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.